In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Google Chat. Whether you're using the standalone chat website or accessing it through Gmail, responding directly to a particular message can help keep your conversations organized and clear, especially when chats become long or involve multiple participants. To get started, begin by navigating to Chat, google.com, or, if you prefer, open Gmail and select the chat option within the interface. Your chats and spaces will be visible, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Once you've accessed your chat interface, locate the conversation or space where the discussion is taking place. It's important to have this context, as you'll be searching within the right thread to find the message you wish to reply to. Next, scroll through your chat history to find the specific message you want to respond to. Depending on the length of your conversation, this might take a bit of scrolling, but taking the time to identify the correct message will ensure that your response is relevant and appropriately placed. After locating the message, you want to use the reply feature to ensure your response is connected directly to it. To do this, hover your mouse over the message. You'll notice several icons appear alongside it, and you'll want to focus on the one that looks like an arrow pointing to the left. This is the reply icon, and clicking it will open a new, small message box that stays linked to the original message. By using this feature, your reply will automatically nest under the message you're responding to, maintaining a clear and organized conversation thread. Now it's time to craft your response. With the reply message box open, type your message. Ensure your reply is clear and concise to maintain effective communication. When you're satisfied with your response, you have two options to send it on its way. You can either press Enter on your keyboard, which is quick and straightforward, or click the Send icon, represented by a paper airplane. This ensures your message is delivered. Here's a helpful tip. Once your reply is sent, it appears as a thread under the original message. This threading is a useful feature that makes it clear to everyone in the chat which message you're responding to, helping to streamline communication and avoid confusion, especially in busy group conversations or long discussions. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on replying to specific messages in Google Chat to keep your conversations organized and clear.